day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. This walk around is on the F250 short bed crew cab. This is the 2023 model year. Stock number is PEC12542. This is a 4x4 unit. Comes with the Ford running boards, Ford turn signal lamps, 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. In 2023 production for the Ford, you get the front and rear footfalls to get into your bed environment. Take a look at unlocking. We'll get on the inside here. As we start the vehicle to check in our mileage, this has got 43 miles. We have a variety of different options to scroll through to make selections. We have the fact that as soon as you get in the vehicle, the driver needs to be aware to fasten his seatbelt. Lumbar support on the vinyl seating, 2 front men seats, and as you fold down, you have your 2 cup holders and your phone restraint, in addition to wonderful pocket storage up underneath with a pen receptacle at the back. Up on the dash, we have our engine exhaust brake, our information media, and your backup camera comes through this screen as you go into reverse. Your interior environmental controls, radio controls, electric brake controller, your mode for your drive in low or high for your 4x4 usage. The USB-Cs and USB-A, 12 volt receptacle, 2 more USB-Cs, another 12 volt receptacle, storage up underneath, storage on top of the dash as well for your wallets, sunglasses. Sunglasses actually will come up on top here by the auxiliary switches at the top, and we have LED reading lamps on both driver and passenger side, illuminating down into the area that you're looking for that to arrive. Interior rear view mirror. Up above the driver is the microphone for your hands-free. This does have tow mode control. All in all, a very good, clean, usable environment for your workday. But wait, there's more of sorts. In the back, we have the split bench seat in the back, 2-man seat folding up. You have a 3rd occupancy on the other side. Allows you to use all this space of the interior. For the rear occupants, we also have cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, a 12 volt power point connectivity, and each door has a pocket for drink, larger drink, personal storage as well. That way there's personal space for your crew inside the vehicle. Up underneath the seat, we have tucked in the DOT fire extinguisher triangle kit. You do have a jack and the latch mechanisms for the interior for heavy duty tow down. Take a look at the Ford's rear tow hitch assembly for the receiver tube, your accessibility for your plugs for either flat or round. But look at the full spray and liner that you get inside this Ford body to again increase the durability long term. Traction tires on the rear. These are Michelin's LTX Mud and Snow. These are the LT245 75R 17-inch tires, and they are 12 ply. Extra strength comes with Ford. Extremely strong rear axles with the Ford product. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com.